राजधानी दिल्ली में रेलवे के इक्विपमेंट्स की इंटरनेशनल प्रदर्शनी होने जा रही है और इस पर बातचीत करने के लिए हमारे साथ बी त्यागराजन जी हैं सीआईआई से। सीधा उन्हीं से बात करते हैं। सर, जब हम इस तरीके की प्रदर्शनी की बात करते हैं तो क्या एक्सपेक्ट करें इसके अंदर?
I think you can expect India to showcase itself as the most superior manufacturer of equipment, offering it to the country as well as the world at affordable costs. It is going to surprise many people.
सर, कितने देश इसमें भाग ले रहे हैं, कितनी कंपनियां हैं, कितने स्टॉल लगेंगे, क्या क्या तरह तरह की टेक्नोलॉजी दिखेगी?
It is more than 400 exhibitors are there, and apart from India, 15 countries are participating in the exhibition, because India is a happening place. Indian Railways is a happening place, and if it is so, they all would like to come here and showcase their equipment for expanding their business opportunities. From railways point of view, they would like to encourage people to come and understand what railways is in need of, how they can participate in its own growth.
जब हम सीआईआई की बात करते हैं तो एक जो है बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, खासतौर पर इंडस्ट्री का। तो रेलवे का जो अभी का हाल है और आज से 10 साल पहले का, दोनों में क्या फ़र्क आप पाते हैं आज की तारीख में?
Dramatically different. So, CI represents every sector you can think of, including startups, for example, or aviation, or infrastructure, consumer durables, or agriculture, food processing, many sectors it represents. So, we have over the years aligned ourselves to what next in India's own mission to become Viksit Bharat, and we are fourth largest economy. We will become the third largest economy within a foreseeable period. So, if it is so, as an industry body, the important focus is that whether we are preparing for the future. So, aligning our vision with that of the government. So, in this particular case, railway has got an extraordinary vision, and you will listen to the Honorable Minister of Railways speaking on 15th in the inaugural session, which is scheduled at 9 a.m. He will be speaking, laying out the vision. Each time we meet him, we come back inspired with this is what it is. Like it is happening in many other ministries. So the first part is aligning our vision with that. Next is preparing our industry to go ahead and participate in that growth. And we are very clear that we are capable of designing, we are capable of developing and executing those projects. Government of India is supporting that Make in India. If it is a foreign manufacturer, it is inviting them with open arms to come and participate in India's growth, to make in India and also make for the world. So if you look at it from over the years, this exhibition has now become the Asia's largest. It is second largest in the world, and my dream, and I am hopeful that by the time we meet again in 2027, who knows, we will be the largest in the world as well.
सर, एक आखिरी सवाल है। जब हम बात करते हैं भारतीय रेलवे की और इंडस्ट्री का जो एक समझ होती है कि हमें भारतीय रेलवे में ये बदलाव चाहिए, तो अगर हम टॉप 3 बदलाव की बात करें कि जो चल रहा है ठीक है, इसके अलावा आप लोग क्या चाहते हैं? रेलवे क्या बदलाव करे, जो 3 बदलाव?
I have to be very honest with you. We are keeping in pace with the change that the Honorable Minister and Railway is implementing. So he wants things to be done faster. He wants things to be done in a very sustainable manner with the sustainable development goals. He wants the technologies to be deployed, including artificial intelligence. And most importantly, he wants things to be executed at affordable cost at a great speed. And he and the Prime Minister are on high speed already. And we won't ask anything. If we can keep pace with them, it will be great.
आपका ढेर सारा धन्यवाद।
Thank you. Thank
यहाँ
you
पर
very
आप
much.
तो आप यहाँ पर समझिए कि जब हम भारतीय रेलवे की बात करते हैं तो भारतीय रेलवे एक बड़े बदलाव के दौर से गुजर रही है और जो इंडस्ट्री है, जैसा कि त्यागराजन जी कह रहे हैं, कदम ताल मिलाए हुए हैं, यानी कदम से कदम मिलाए हुए हैं। जो सरकार चाहती है उसी हिसाब से वो आगे बढ़ रही है। सिद्धार्थ, न्यूज स्टेशन, दिल्ली।